हेलो दोस्तों। टुडे वी आर डिस्कस्ड अबाउट रेल विकास निगम लिमिटेड stock complete analysis. Incorporated in January 2003, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited (RVNL) is a Schedule A public sector enterprise at a mini Ratna. RVNL is a project execution company and works for and behalf of Ministry of Railways. It executes all types of railway projects including new lines, doubling gauge conversion, railway electrification, metro projects, workshops, major bridges, construction of cable, state bridges, institution, buildings, etc. on a turnkey basis. The company's major client is the Indian Railways. It another clients include various central and government ministries, departments, and public sector undertakings. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited does not have any plant location but had 38 project implementing units at 25 locations as of financial year 2020. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited works on a turnkey basis and undertake the full cycle of project development from conceptualization to commissioning, including stages of design, preparation of estimates, calling and award of contracts, project and contract management, and all stages of project execution up to the stage of commissioning. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited (RVNL) follows an asset light business model which help keep its fixed assets apart lower, helping it to keep its balance sheet stress free and resulting in lower inventory days. RVNL is a project executing agency working for and on behalf of Ministry of Railways and has a strong order book visibility which is likely to play a key role in the development of railway infrastructure in India. The government has recently shown intention to introduce competition among PSUs for allotment of work by the Railway Board. This could impact order flows to some extent. The trust on improving the infrastructure for rail transportation by adding new lines, doubling existing lines, electrification, etc., would continue to provide constant flow of businesses for the company. The company has a robust balance sheet and is available at an attractive dividend yield of 3.5%. Execution of large projects on a low base could propel growth higher in coming years. At the end of Q3 financial year 21, RVNL had an outstanding order book of 80,000 crore, which provides a strong visibility of 5x. However, there were no new inflows in financial year 21, and it awaits traction in terms of new order awarding by Ministry of Railway. Looking at the strong prospect, we believe the stock is available at reasonable valuation. We feel investors can buy the stock on dip in 29 to 30 band and add further in 25-26 band for base case target of Rs 33 and bull case target of rupees 35. However, stake sale by the government to bring down its stake to 75% would remain an overhang for the stock in the near term. Market cap 6286 crore. Current price 30.2. High, all-time high 35.6. All-time low 18.0. Stock P 6.20. Book value 26.7. Dividend yield 3.77%. ROC 11.3%. ROE 17.3%. Face value 10 rupees per share. Stock is trading at 1.13 times its book value. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 22.83%. The company has shown a good profit growth of 27.44% for the past 3 years. The company has shown a good revenue growth of 4.89% for the past 3 years. The company has a high promoter holding of 78.20%. Disclaimer: no investment advice. Do your own research. Thanks for watching me.